Hi KB, let's go over our math lesson for today, Friday, June 5th. We are going to work on the last section of chapter 12 today before our chapter 12 quiz next week. So we are on chapter 12.6. We are starting on page 513. And today, boys and girls, we are going to combine what we have been reviewing. We've been reviewing sorting shapes or sorting objects and the different ways that we can sort and classify objects. And we've been reviewing counting. So today we're going to put those together. What you're going to see in this chapter 12.6, we are going to sort objects and then count them, practicing with our numbers. Let's take a look here. The first thing we want to do is find out how many shapes are red. We see that it says red right here at the bottom. How many shapes are red? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and trace your 5 on the line that says red. We have 5 red objects. Then we're going to trace our plus sign. And now let's find out how many objects are blue. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So go ahead and trace the number 4 on the line where it says blue. So now we have 5 plus 4. Trace your equal sign. And what does 5 plus 4 equal? You can use a number line if you have a number line at home, or you can count your objects. 5 objects plus 4 objects. Let's count how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals 9. So where we see all, that's where we are tracing the number 9, because this is how many we have all together. When you put the red shapes and the blue shapes together, we have 9. Excellent. So let's keep working with this. Let's turn to page 514. We're going to do the exact same thing now, just with green and orange shapes. So first, we see on the line down here, it's asking us how many green shapes we have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 green shapes. We're going to put a 6 on the line. Trace your plus sign. We know we are adding. Now, how many shapes are orange? Let's look at the orange category and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put 4 on the line for orange. And we have 6 plus 4 equals, trace your equal sign. What is 6 plus 4? You might already know it. You might need a number line, or you can count your shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together, we have 10 shapes. 6 plus 4 equals 10. You got it. Now, let's take a look at the same thing a little bit differently. We still have our green and our orange shapes. And now we're just going to read our problem at the bottom a little differently. Notice that it's not asking us for a color shape. Over here, it was asking us for green and orange, and we know that by reading the color words. It's not asking for colors here. Now it wants to know how many squares do we have and how many circles. If you look at your chart, let's look just at the squares. We have green and orange together in the square box. It says square right here. And if it helps, you can even draw that line a little bit outside the box so that you can clearly see that we're looking at squares and we're looking at circles. So now they are sorted by shape, and that is something that you've done before. They're not sorted by color anymore. The colors are mixed. They're sorted by shape. So now let's take the